All right, folks. So I'm going to unbox this Midea or Media, whatever you call, M7 Evo robotic vacuum cleaner come mopping device. So this one comes with LiDAR or LDS 2. Sorry 5.0 sensor navigation with 8 sensors. So let's see what do we have inside. And the best part is that this one has the highest suction power in this product category. In 20 to 30K price range, I haven't seen any vacuum cleaner which has 8,000 pascals of suction power. So this is among the best in terms of suction power. And surprisingly, no one is actually talking about it. So I know that this brand is less known, and also the software support may not be best. So let's see how is it as compared to Xiaomi's EcoBot, Dreamy, etc. So a bit difficult to handle. There you go. It says M7 Evo. Dimensions. Robot vacuum cleaner. 55 watts of power. It also has BLDC motor. Not all vacuum cleaners have it, although many of them, probably most of them, do have BLDC motors. So this one also have. Yeah, it says smart LiDAR navigation. 8,000 PA maximum suction. That's the best thing in this price range. Normally 8,000 PA vacuum cleaners cost around 30 to 40,000. There you go. This is the front of the box. This is the vacuum cleaner. This is how it works. Now it says LDS navigation, and here it says smart LiDAR navigation. So I'm not sure which one is true, whether both of them are same or not, because LDS is laser thing. Obviously both of them uses laser, but LiDAR is normally more accurate. So if it has LiDAR, then of course it's a better thing. Could be LiDAR 1.1, sorry 1.0, I'm not sure. Comes with 1 year warranty. Back of it says LDS navigation. I think same thing. Some shipping labels are there. Okay, so I'm trying to find an opening. I think here it is. There is no seal, so hopefully it's a brand new item, as it doesn't have any seal. Oops, this is the opposite. उल्टा ही खोल दिया हमने तो. Let me try again. This way. There you go. Okay, so you have the user manual. You can go through it. Troubleshooting steps. You can probably pause and read. It does a multi-level vacuuming facility, sorry, mapping facility. Now, interestingly, I tried to search the app on Android Store, Play Store, and I was not able to find it. I found AC remote apps, but not the vacuum cleaner app. It does say that the app is available on Play Store. Let's see. So it comes with two filters, two side brushes, so no extra side brushes, power cord, cleaning brush, which is inside the vacuum cleaner, manual, this one. This is the docking station and charging unit. It says before first use, we recommend you charge the robot for at least 6 hours. Okay, so that's what I would be doing right now. And you have left and right sweeping devices. Recharge for next cleaning, fill the water and attach the mop. Okay. Okay. This is the product overview. Recharge button. Basically, it's a home button. So when you tap on home button, it will find the charger and go and dock itself. LiDAR sensor. There is a bumper in the front. Start, pause, shut down button. Water tank, cover. Networking pairing button. Reset, dustbin. You have dustbin there, of course. Water tank, dustbin release. This is the technical specifications. It comes with 5200 mAh battery. That's the reason I purchased it. Otherwise, I was getting Xiaomi S10 for 10,000 rupees from unboxify.in. That's another website which I would recommend. In 10,000 rupees, it's actually much more value for money and probably better software experience than this particular device. But it comes with 3200 mAh battery and it has only one this thing, the sweeping device. Now I need two of them. We have quite a lot of dust and dirt, so we need sweeping and mopping function more than vacuuming. These are the normal warnings, etc. Safety instructions, probably you can read it. Okay, so I guess that's it. Let me share the QR code. You can download the app using this QR. Requires iOS 13 and Android 8. Alright, what else do we have here? Download the smart app. This is the mop. Nice and sturdy. I guess it has a magnet here and a couple of hooks. Plastic is okay. I don't know why this microfiber looks washed. This is the additional filter. One of them will be installed there inside the mop itself. These are the two sweeping things. The Xiaomi one has only one. This one has two of them. That's the reason I ordered this. More than 3200 mAh battery. I wanted this. It looks quite huge. This is a normal standard 2-pin power adapter, power cord actually. Trouble focusing? Yeah, now it is focused. Okay. This is the docking station. There you go. This is the power cord input. And these are the dock pins. A bit dust here. dust magnet. These are all glossy finish. I don't like glossy finish because of that. Now finally, this is the vacuum cleaner. There you go. Midea. Midea, this is the LiDAR sensor. It's quite huge, so I don't think I will be able to enter tiny areas. I have a Chinese one as well, so that one is nothing as compared to this one. This is basically overall dimension is almost twice. It's quite a lot of static here. So you have the filter inside. This is the brush, and of course this is the cap, sorry, the box to hold, I guess, some around 300 ml capacity, 300 milliliter capacity for dust and dirt. And what else? You have Wi-Fi and reset button here. Guess you can see here. Hope you can see it. So I'll have to insert those mopping devices there. Now hopefully these wheels can come out, because sometimes they can get jammed. So it's very important that you should be able to remove the wheels. Now some dirt here and some hair kind of thing. It's not really hair. And I guess I have to remove this. Remove before use. Alright guys, so I'll be reviewing this and I'll let you know how is this device. I'll be charging the unit. Probably before then, let me show you the water tank. There you go. This is the water tank. Large enough cap to insert to fill water. You can easily put it under the tap. It says please do not add any detergent into the water tank to prevent potential clog. Water stains inside the tank will test residues. What does it mean, test residues? Please feel free to use. I don't know, what does it mean, test residues? You put the mop there inside at the bottom. Let me quickly do it. This way. There you go. So the mop is in place. There is no additional mop, which is bad. At this price, I expect these accessories to come with it. Anyway, let me insert it back. There you go. I have the mop in place. Let me quickly put these sweeping wheels. It says right or R. Now which, okay, so here L, I just match with L. There you go. R with R, because I got confused which one is R, which one is L, because from here this side looks L and this side looks R. Sorry for being out of focus. Okay, so the vacuum cleaner is ready, and let me quickly see how to remove the wheels. Probably I can unscrew from here and remove the wheels that way, because if the wheels get clogged, the vacuum cleaner will not work, and it's very easy to clog them. That's what I have learned from that cheap Chinese vacuum cleaner. Alright guys, so quickly charge this one and I'll come back to you after some time. Thanks for watching. I'll share the link to this vacuum cleaner. I find this to be the best value for money, and no compromise thing. Of course, it doesn't have those dust collection thing, but that dust collection thing for me seems not of much sense, because when you have to clean this box, you have to clean the vacuum cleaner as well. So 90 days you can't keep, in Indian conditions particularly, you cannot just keep using the vacuum cleaner without servicing it. It has to be serviced regularly. Actually, it has to be serviced daily after each session, because of the dust and dirt which gathers in Indian homes if you open your doors, windows, etc. regularly. If it is not airtight, then of course dust and dirt will come. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. How do you find this particular vacuum cleaner? And yeah, let's have a discussion. See you later. Have a great day. Bye bye.